Take a moment to check out the 2017 Toyota Yaris IA. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a look at this well-equipped Toyota Yaris IA. Nimble, fuel-efficient, and offering an attractive interior with an upscale look and feel, this engaging automobile is ready to make your daily drive something to look forward to. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system. Don't miss the chance to drive this feature-rich Yaris IA. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.